When people cough in 1893.
Welcome to the L Tavern. What can I get for you today? Hey, for today, I'll probably just go with the house special. Good choice. I'm gonna go fix that up for you. Alrighty. You wouldn't happen to have Corona, right? Don't be ridiculous. It's 1893. That stuff don't come out till 2020. Right. Unless you have the Timatron variant. The Timatron variant? I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, that strain that came out 2026 that travels through time? Johnny, you think you slick. Look, let's all calm down. I can explain. I'm listening. You see, what happened was, when I...